This iPhone 13 has an unusable face due to water ingress, which we will be repairing using the solder-free solution. Before repairing, we need to use AY Repair to check if the face component is original and shows green before repairing. Use professional dismantling tools to dismantle the phone screen. This model needs to remove the phone's motherboard in order to remove the face assembly to repair it. Reboot and connect your phone to AY Repair and tap Unbind to backup face data. Or connect the face assembly to A1084 Cloud Backup. After backing up your data, you can click Activate, and after successful activation, the Activate button on this phone will be disabled. This is the state of testing the A cable alone. The face module will be connected to the A cable, and connected to the A108 in the AY Repair, Cloud Burning completed display Norma. Install the A cable and face module according to the folding tutorial to complete the face repair. Testing the imaging with EM3D software shows perfect portrait effect with sensitive unlocking effect.